In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji on Microsoft Teams. Emojis are a fun and effective way to convey emotion, add context, or just brighten up those daily communications. Whether you're sending a message to a coworker or sharing a quick update in a group chat, knowing how to add emojis can enhance your interactions. So let's dive right in and learn how to add emojis in Microsoft Teams step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. You can find it by typing Microsoft Teams into your search bar and clicking on the official link, or you may have it bookmarked already for easy access. Once on the home page, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step, but for those of you who aren't, simply follow along. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This is the same account you use for other Microsoft services, such as Outlook or Office 365. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to your Teams dashboard. Now, it's time to navigate to your chat. You can access the chat by clicking on the Chat tab within Teams. This is where most of your one-on-one conversations and group chats are housed. If you have ongoing messages, they will appear here, waiting for your response. Go ahead and click on the chat where you want to add an emoji. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see several icons. These are your tools for enriching your messages. From here, locate the emoji icon, a smiley face. Click on it, and a palette of emojis will pop up, offering a wide variety of choices. You're not just limited to what you see right away. There's also a search option within the emoji panel. You can type keywords into the search bar to find the perfect emoji that conveys exactly what you want to express. Once you've found an emoji you like, simply click on it and it will be added to your message. Feel free to choose multiple emojis if you feel like making your message even more lively. After adding your emojis, you can continue typing your message or hit send if you're ready. And there you have it, a simple yet versatile way to enhance your team's interactions. By following these steps, you've learned not only how to access the emoji panel, but how to incorporate these fun visuals into your chats. Remember, using emojis can make your communication more engaging and show off a bit of your personality. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in spicing up your conversations in Microsoft Teams.